Hi, my name is Haas and I'm creating this video to introduce you the concept of progressive boilerplates. And I want to show you how you can use them to learn about a new library like React. If this video is somehow useful for you, please give you a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Well, I've created a React boilerplate. This is the Atomic React. But I need to say that I created this boilerplate because actually I don't like boilerplates. Let me explain that. There are awesome boilerplates out there, like this React boilerplate, the React Redux Universal Rod example. And I use them to learn and understand how to do things in React. But the point is, I've never used those boilerplates as a base for my web apps. I've just used them to learn things like component structure or Redux, routing. And with this knowledge, I created my boilerplate to be used on my web apps. And I share this with the community. And one thing I have not said on most of boilerplates is that they are enormous. They implement many features and it might be hard for a learner to understand or abstract what they want to learn. Sometimes, for example, you just want to know how to implement Redux and do not care about server-side rendering, offline first support, and other things. And usually you get lost in a bunch of code that might be not related with what you actually want. So the solution I propose for that is the concept of progressive boilerplate, which is basically a boilerplate repository with features separated in branches. On the Atomic React boilerplate, for example, we have the master branch with the basic setup, Redux, Universal Redux, and the FuseStack branch. And even though you can use that as a base to build your app, this is focused on learning. If you are really new to React, I recommend you to use first the Create React app from Facebook. There you will learn how to create a React app with a very minimal structure. When you want to learn how to structure your components folder, for example, or how to better write the style of your component, or how to write unit tests for your components using Jest, you can use the master branch of this boilerplate. When you're done, you can just switch to the Redux branch and learn how to implement the Redux feature on that. You can use the compare feature of GitHub to see the commits, which files and the code that changed to implement the feature, the Redux feature. Well, I hope this short video helps you, and you can see the links on the description of this video. And I want to just ask you a last thing. If you saw some existing progressive boilerplate, or you created a progressive boilerplate, not even for React, not even for JavaScript, it might be for every language or every other framework or library, please comment on this video with the link for this boilerplate, because I want to create a list of progressive boilerplates to promote them. And that's it. Thank you.